Need to redirect your domain to another website? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a domain redirect in GoDaddy so you can easily point visitors to a new URL. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Find the domain you want to redirect and click on Manage next to it. Once you're in the Domain Management page, scroll down to the Additional Settings section and click Manage DNS. This will take you to the DNS settings for your domain. In the DNS Management page, scroll down to the Forwarding section. Click Add next to Domain to set up the redirect. Enter the URL you want your domain to redirect to. You can choose between a permanent redirect, 301, or a temporary redirect, 302. A permanent redirect is recommended for SEO purposes if you're permanently moving your site. Make sure to select whether you want to forward with or without masking. If you choose masking, visitors will see the original domain in their browser's address bar, even though they are redirected. After entering your settings, click Save. The domain redirect should be active shortly, but it may take a few minutes to propagate. And that's it. You've successfully redirected your domain in GoDaddy. Now, visitors will be automatically sent to your new website. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and tricks.